Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking a little bit about week 26 as well as showing you guys the things that I purchased from Target today. I literally just got back from running all of my morning errands. I am so tired. I'm actually almost 28 weeks now, but I'm gonna do my 26 week video today. I'll tell you guys about week 26 first before I jump into the haul, because week 26 is literally super short. Nothing too much to say there. For that week, I had absolutely no acid reflux, which I was super excited about because every other week I've been having acid reflux and it's just been such a drag. So uncomfortable, just I couldn't even like lay down. If I did, I had to lie on my left side and it still didn't even go away. It would just take forever for it to go away, and I actually ran out of Zantac. So I need to go get some more of that or Prilosec or something, and I keep like every time I go out I forget about it, just like now when I was at Target. So other than that, my exhaustion levels have been rising. I've been getting more and more tired each week. I'm so exhausted. I start work on Sunday, so I'm excited for that, but at the same time I'm just like, it's gonna kill me because I wake up early in the morning to take Riley to school. So I wake up early and then I'll be working nights, so I'll be working until 8 p.m. So I'm gonna be so tired every single day. So that's pretty much it for week 26. Like I said, super short. I just didn't have any acid reflux that week. The baby's been kicking a lot. It's crazy. Like, it scared me actually one time. I was lying there and she kicked me super hard and I like jumped. Like, it's crazy. Like, this pregnancy is just a lot different than the first one. Yeah, so today I went to Target. I went to Starbucks too, and if you guys haven't tried the iced maple pecan latte with cold foam, it is so good. If you haven't tried the cold foam at all in general, you just need to try it. So yeah, Riley has picture day tomorrow. I wanted to get her like a new outfit for that. She needs new clothes anyway, so it was kind of like, it wasn't like I was shopping just to shop. So that's how I justify it. But then also next week they have Spirit Day. So their school colors are blue and yellow, and I bought blue and yellow for her today for that. So she's at school, so when she gets back, it'll be really exciting for her to have new clothes. First of all, when you first walk into Target, they have like that section. They have like $1, $3, and $5 things. This was $5, I guess. It was in the $3 section. Oops. I would not have bought this if it was $5. I could have bought a bigger candle for $5. This is like a seasonal candle, which is probably why it's a little bit more expensive for a small size. This is the spiced apple bourbon. Ugh, it just smells so good, and I love like the little bamboo lids that they have. The next thing while I was there, I bought Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E. This is like really well known for stretch marks and things like that. So a lot of people really like to use this for stretch marks. It also helps with toning your skin. This smells amazing. I love it. I haven't used Palmer's in a really long time, but I'm almost out of my other stuff that I'm using for my belly. And then just a couple more things here before we get into Riley's cute little clothes. I needed some body wash because I've been kind of sharing mine with Riley and like moving it back and forth to the bathrooms. So I got this raw sugar body wash. It's for sensitive skin because my skin is so terribly dry and itchy and I get eczema really easily. I got this almond milk and Manuka honey and oatmeal. It's a natural coconut and plant-based blend, lightly scented for pure and gentle skin nutrition. Yeah, so this looks like a pretty cool brand. I've never heard of it before, but I saw it at Target. It was really affordable. They're from Southern California and it looks like they have natural products in here. So it smells amazing. So I'm really excited to use this. All right, and then the last thing that's not Riley's is this box of envelopes, because I'm constantly finding myself needing to mail things out. Okay, so for Riley's clothes, I got her these little jeans from Cat and Jack. This is how they look. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. I don't have a flip screen anymore, which is really sad, but it has like these like cut out heart patches on the knees, and then it has like rainbow stitching I just think they are so adorable. I got her 3 camis. Again, Cat and Jack brand. I love this brand. I think they make cute things. This is just a cami. This one is in medium, even though she's a small. I got medium because they didn't have small in the pink one anymore, and they're 95% cotton, so it'll shrink a little bit. I got her a black one as well. This one's in size small. Yeah, they had small in that size. And then I got her like this tan or beige colored one as well. I got her this little cardigan. And this is what she'll be wearing on picture day. I'll probably put the pink cami with this little cardigan and her jeans. Super cute. They're all Cat and Jack brand. It's a really popular brand, I guess. And then I got her this little beanie because it's been getting really cold, and it has like gold sparkles woven into the knitting. So I think this is really cute. I love the little puff on the beanie. I think she'll just look so cute with this. Her hair is really long, and it's kind of curly, so this is gonna be so cute. Next are these for her spirit day next week. This is just a blue top. This is also Cat and Jack. I think all of these things are Cat and Jack. So yeah, blue shirt, super cute. Last but not least, I got this pack of bows because it had a yellow bow in here. So they're like headbands. So I'm just gonna have her wear jeans with that top and then have her hair in this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I love Target. Every time I go to Target, I go for like 1 or 2 things and end up getting multiples. I almost got like a flannel button up for her. I love flannels, and Michael wears them too, and Riley doesn't have any, so I almost got it. It was really cute. I ended up going with this. I thought it'd be cuter with the beanie as well. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.